Okay, good day, everyone. This is Total Investor here, everyone's favorite YouTube channel, investment channel. And today I want to go over one particular stock that several analysts feel could be a 200% or could see a 200% increase in the price within 1 year. That is a company called Redhill Biopharma, stock symbol RDHL. Now, before I go any further, I just want to make sure that you understand that, disclosure here, everything you see and hear is strictly educational and for informational purposes only. It is not financial advice and should not be considered as such. Okay. This company, Redhill Biopharma, is a company that basically focuses its research on gastrointestinal illnesses. Okay, the company has a very active product line. There are 6 drug candidates at the clinical stage of R&D, and 3 products that are already in approval in the U.S. and globally now, and are now in the commercialization process. The 3 drugs specifically are Movantik, Talicia, and also Emcolo. Okay, now the company last year in 2020, the company reported top-line revenues of $64 million and a gross profit of $27.5 million. That's not bad for a small biotech. Okay, in March of this year, the company reported having $100 million in cash. That will come in handy, and hopefully we won't have to see any secondary offerings hitting the market and dilute the shares. Let me go over this very quickly. You can read more of this on the web, or even on Tip Ranks if you want to get a more detailed information. There's one particular analyst that feels that these 3 drugs alone, Movantik, Talicia, and Emicolo, could generate peak annual sales of $1.1 billion by the year 2028. Okay, that is very positive. Now, obviously, we're going out 7 years. A lot of risk. Anything can happen within that time frame. But there's a lot of potential revenue. And if we scroll down further from this article, there's a lot of analysts that are very bullish. One analyst has a price target of 23, and that would bring us a premium over the current price of the stock at well over 200%. Okay, and the stock has 4 buy ratings. Let's take a look at the stock right now, or at least the chart. It did peak out at on February the 22nd, dropped steadily from there, and it looks like we finally have hit bottom at around $6. The DIs have finally crossed here into bullish territory at around $6.5 to $7. The RSI crossed above 50 at around the same time. And finally now we have the stock above the 10-day and the 50-day moving average and on good volume. So everything is in place here. Looks like we're finally in the bullish phase, and that will provide us with some good returns if those price targets are correct. And again, I'm just going to go over those right now. We have 4 analysts. There are actually 5 analysts now that are bullish. Their medium price target is $19.60, but we have a low of $12. Even if we only get as high as the lowest estimate of $12, it's still a decent return, but it could go as high as $26. So that is, I think that, given the amount of risk, that the potential is worth it. Again, that's just my opinion. I look at the technicals and everything is a go. So I really like this particular stock for those accounts that understand the risks and are very speculative and are looking longer term. Again, please, if you can right now, subscribe to this channel. That helps you to be notified. If you subscribe, all you have to do is click on the bottom right hand corner. You'll see an icon of George Washington. Just click on that and YouTube will notify you when a new video comes out. So you will be the first to know. It helps you out and it helps me out in the channel. Hopefully, we will make this channel grow. Second, give it a thumbs up if you feel that it deserves one. And if you have any questions on this particular stock or any stocks, on commodities or even on crypto, down below in the comment section, and I will either respond to you with a comment or with a future video. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.